Hi there, K Beauty has just launched their new full coverage concealer which comes with a sponge applicator. So the packaging is slightly different, formula is different, and I also have the older formula. So we will discuss about both the formulas, their coverage and everything so that you can decide which formula is for you. I thought as soon as I have blended it, I should just record what I felt. So this side I have used the sponge applicator. I feel the applicator is soft when I tried to press it on my hand, but when you start blending specifically under eyes, it doesn't work that well. I don't know, maybe on the acne marks it might work well, but I'm doubtful because the sponge applicator actually absorbs lots of product. Because when I applied with brush this side, I saw that there was a lot of product when I just took the two dots, and with brush it was still there, the product was still there, and it gave me a good coverage this side. As you can see, if you are in hurry or you're traveling, I think then you can probably try this. Okay, I have slight cough, so my voice is slightly husky, just bear with it. So that's what I observed when I blended it first time. One more thing I noticed is if you are using this, use less. You don't need much because just two dots and I could get a good coverage out of it. If I use too much, it's gonna look cakey and later on it might crease. So full coverage concealers start with very less product. If you want coverage, you can build one dot later. Now let's try this hydrating concealer this side, because anyway this is patchy and I'm going to remove it and apply the old formula here. Both the shades are same, 140Y. So this side we have the new formula, full coverage one, and this side is HD liquid, which I will apply now. So I'm using Dress Brush this side to blend. It's very similar to Real Technique, but it's not the branded one. I don't remember the brand. So this formula is more hydrating and lighter than this one, and also it's not giving full coverage. As you can see, with brush I need to build it with one more layer. When you start blending it, you will immediately notice the difference between both the formulas. This is very hydrating and blendable formula. Now I have used this concealer earlier also, and it never used to give me full coverage even with two layers. So I used to use the orange or peach corrector before this, so I know that, but I just wanted to compare both of the formulas, and here you go. So yeah, that's all about these two concealers. I hope this video is helpful. If yes, please like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because I have tons and tons of foundation and concealer videos which might be very helpful for you to choose your shade. So do that now, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.